Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file in laptop or PC in Windows 11. Now this is going to be a short tutorial and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I want you to go ahead and open your Word right here. And once you've opened this one, go ahead and click the open button right here. And then we're going to go ahead and click browse right here. We're going to go ahead and choose the file that we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and locate that one. It's in a downloads folder and it's going to be this particular document. Click open right here and then go ahead and hit OK. So basically what it's saying is that they are now converting our PDF to editable document, and this could take a while. And there you go. So, yep, there are some differences here though that you are going to notice. You can see here, this is one thing. Usually it's colored, but now it's black and white. But yeah, that's basically the only difference. Depending on how complicated your file, this can actually be a hit or miss. So it could be a hit if, say, for example, there aren't any complicated documents here that you have added or elements. But yeah, it works for me and it should work for you guys as well. So for simple documents, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. So you can go ahead and make your edits here. For example, I've added my title, and then you can go ahead and basically start exporting it back into PDF. So something like that. Go ahead and click the save button and you are good to go. And yes, everybody, that's the easiest way in order for us to edit PDF file in laptop or PC.